Here, and today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to make a bullet hole in Paint.net. So first, to create a file, I'm gonna make this 500 by 500. I'm gonna hit Control A, then Control X. Let me turn on screen. There you go. Then now, all you have to do is go over to Shape and change the shape type to ellipse. Make it filled. Here, let me reset this. Then change your primary color to dark gray. While holding Shift, make the circle. Here we go. There we go. And then just set your primary color to black. Then make another circle while holding Shift as well. Also, when I scale it, I hold Shift, so it's proportional. And now, what we have to do is we have to go into Effects, Distort, Dense. And then you can mess around with how you want this to look. Let me see which one is this for me. Quality can be anything. Well, I'd say this right here is good. Could also make a normal map for it. Bam. Yeah. There's a plugin to that in another video. So yeah, you could make a normal map, for example, and then just for example here, lower this. Then Control X, and then we can do Control Shift U. Get rid of the saturation. Select this area perhaps, and then we can make an even more realistic bullet hole. But I'm just gonna keep it as this. So yeah, pretty short video on how to do this. So I hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And yeah, peace out.